lovely friends and people. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today my video is on that topic that is very common nowadays. This is ED, erectile dysfunction. What is erectile dysfunction in scientific language? This condition in which a man cannot get or keep an erection firm enough to make sexual intercourse, or we can say coitus in scientific language. And in this condition, patient generally become very tensed or anxious and become very malicious because it affects physically as well as emotionally too. It can be a sign of psychological or physical. Okay, in generally we see that man easily take any temporary ointment and medicines temporarily, or any applications or devices which can produce harm to you. You should avoid to have these type of medications because this is not a permanent treatment. In homeopathy, it can be easily treated by according to your causes, because we can distribute easily homeopathy medicines according to causes, which I'll describe in this video. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, watch the complete video. Priorly, I would say that if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share more and more so that everyone can get benefit by it. So if we talk about the causes, there is many numerous causes. Like if you have any traumatic injury, like you have nerve injury or blood injury, if you have any generalized weakness, if you have any psychological factor, because it also mainly I always say that every chronic disease basically starts from our mind, our mental symptoms. So you should aware your mental health and you should do the yoga and meditations so that mental health is very quite well. Okay, we talk about causes. I'll describe the medicines. Number one, if you have any traumatic injury, I'm not talking about the cut lacerations, I'm talking about blunt injury. We can see the bruise or contusions in the blunt injury. In Hindi language, we say that kneel pad gayi. If you have any blunt injury, then you should take the Anika Montana 200 twice in a day to continue till 1 month, and it is the changes. Okay, if you persist the symptom, then please contact with a nearby good homeopathic physician. Okay, number second, if you are overindulged in sexual activity, you should take the Avina sativa mother tincture 10 drops in 1/4 cup of water thrice in a day. This can be good. Please avoid your bad habits or overindulgence in this activity. Do some good work, do some your good hobbies. Okay, now number third, if you have any overindulgence in masturbation, you should take the Staphysagria 30 and Valispar 30. Both medicine doses is 2 drops thrice in a day. That please do the yoga, meditation, do some good habits. Number fourth, if you had overindulgence of masturbation in the past, then you should take the Caladium sanguinum 200 empty stomach. 1 dose is sufficient. Continue medicine until the symptoms subside. Number fifth, if we talk about, if you have any cholesterol problem, then you should take the Cholesterinum 3x and Catechus oxycantha mother tincture. Cholesterinum 3x dose is 2 tablet thrice in a day, and Catechus oxycanthus mother tincture 10 drops thrice in a day in 1/4 cup of water. If you have prolonged diabetes and hypertension, then you should take the Argentum nitricum 30 and Acid Nit 30. 2 drops of both medicine thrice in a day. Continue medicine until the symptoms subside. If you have noticed that there is no any problem, no any activity, overindulgence of bad activity, if you haven't any problem, then please check your hormonal level, your sperm count. If there is a low level of testosterone, low level of sperm count, then you should take the Testis 3x. 2 tablets thrice in a day, and there is a one more drop. This is a Testosterone drop of Burnett company. 10 drops in 1/4 cup of water. You should also take mother tincture of Damiana and Nufer lutea mother tincture. Both mother tincture 10 drops in 1/4 cup of water. You can take mixture of it also. Damiana and Nufer lutea. I'm talking about these. These are all about of ED. And if you have any query yet, so you can mail me. You can please write the comment. How do you like my videos, my channel? Please share more and more so that everyone can get benefit by it. Please do the yoga, improve your lifestyle, improve your habits, so that no any disease can harm to you. Your body will generate the good habits, your lifestyle become the good. So please, thank you so much. Please share more and more. I would say again, stay happy and healthy. Okay, bye bye.